Imagine building a fully functional app with a database, payment processing, and custom domain, without writing a single line of code. Sounds impossible, right? Meet Abacus AI Deepagent, the world of vibe coding, where your ideas become reality through conversation. We're talking about real, deployable apps with authentication, databases, and even Stripe integration. You don't need to understand programming. You just need to know how to describe what you want. So let's dive in. Head over to Abacus AI. Click on Abacus AI Deepagent. Deepagent isn't some basic website builder. It writes the code, sets up databases, designs the interface, implements user authentication, and deploys your app to a live URL, all automatically. Here, select Get Started. Check out what other people have built with this tool. Today, we're building a pet adoption platform, a real, functional website that could actually help shelters connect animals with loving homes. Watch as I type this. Create a pet adoption platform app with the following features: a home page with a search bar and a featured pets section, a pet listings page with a grid layout displaying all available pets, individual pet profile pages with photo galleries, an adoption application form. Include an about page. Use a warm, friendly color palette. That's it. That's the entire prompt. I'm just describing what I want like I'm talking to a human developer. No code, just clear communication. Now I hit enter, and watch what happens next. Deepagent doesn't just blindly start building. It asks clarifying questions, just like a real developer would. It's asking about photo uploads, admin login credentials, contact form behavior, social media sharing options, and how adopted pets should be displayed. Let me answer these quickly. Admin be able to upload photos from their device. Username and password. Default contact form. WhatsApp. They are shown with an adopted badge. And now click Generate. Watch what happens next. First, it's analyzing my request and planning the architecture. It's deciding what technologies to use and how to structure the database. Now it's generating sample pet images and content. It's writing the code. Watch as it creates the front end. It's writing HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. But you don't need to understand any of that. It's all happening automatically. Next, it's setting up the backend and database. Now it's building the admin dashboard with authentication. It's implementing secure login functionality. The entire process takes just a few minutes. Deepagent is done. The homepage looks fantastic, clean, professional, with that warm color scheme we wanted. The search bar is clean. The featured pets section is displaying animals with photos, and the navigation is intuitive. Let's click on a pet profile. Perfect. We've got a photo gallery, all the detailed information about the pets, and the adoption application button is prominently displayed. Here's the Browse Pets page. Look at these filter options: animal type, age, size, and gender. I can filter by dogs. This is exactly what we asked for, and it's fully functional. Let's check out the How It Works page. Perfect. It's laid out in clear steps. Browse available pets. Review and approval, where the shelter team reviews applications. And at the bottom, there are adoption requirements listed: age requirements, photo ID, references, and more. Here's the WhatsApp contact option we asked for. Now let me log into the admin dashboard. But here's where vibe coding really shines. Let's say I want to make some changes. I want to change the homepage color to a blue. I just tell Deepagent. And watch. Deepagent understands the context, makes the changes, and redeploys instantly. This is the power of conversational development. You're iterating and improving through natural dialogue, not digging through code files. And look, it's fully responsive. Here's how it looks on mobile devices. Perfect layout, easy navigation, everything adapts beautifully. And in the Manage section, here's the database Deepagent built automatically. Every pet is stored here with complete information. This is what powers the entire application. My app is already deployed and accessible on the internet with a live URL I can share immediately. Let's take a step back and understand what you've actually created here. Database management, storing all pet and application data. Admin dashboard, full control over content. User experience, beautiful, intuitive interface. Mobile responsive, works on any device. Hosted and live, instant URL to share. This is what professional developers charge thousands of dollars to build. You just did it through conversation. Let me show you what others have already created with Deepagent. Educational platform. Someone built an entire website teaching Model Context Protocol. Multiple pages, interactive elements, clean design, created by someone who wanted to share knowledge, not a professional developer. Hotel website. Check out Hotel Transylvania, a fully responsive hotel site with booking information, image galleries, and contact forms. Professional quality, built in minutes. Local business site. Sweet Delights, a bakery website with product showcases, pricing, location info, and customer testimonials. Ready for business, built by a baker, not a coder. Community platform. The Literary Circle, a multi-page book club website with membership information, event calendars, and sign-up forms. The common thread? None of these were built by professional developers. They were built by people with ideas who used Deepagent to bring those ideas to life. We went from zero to a fully functional, deployed web application in minutes. Head over to abacus.ai, fire up Deepagent, and turn that idea into reality. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Until next time, happy creating!